Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix can't sign in error on PSN for PlayStation 5 and 4 so you can get back online quickly.
Fix 1. Test internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings Network, test internet connection. Step 2. Make sure your connection is stable. Step 3. If it's weak, try a wired connection or move closer to the Wi-Fi router. Fix 2. Update system software. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Software Update. Step 2. Install any available updates. Step 3. Restart the console and try signing in again. Fix 3. Check PlayStation Network status. Step 1. Go to PlayStation Network status. Step 2. See if services like account management or sign in are down. Step 3. If PSN is down, you'll need to wait until it's restored. Fix 4. Sign out and sign back in. Step 1. Go to Settings, Account Management, sign out. Step 2. Restart your console. Step 3. Sign back in with your CSN account credentials. Fix 5. Change DN settings. Step 1. Go to Settings Network. Set up Internet Connection Custom. Step 2. Enter DNs manually. Primary, 888, secondary, 8844. Step 3. Test the connection and sign in.